Uh, My name is Dashrath Rajput, currently studying in 5th semester. Today, my topic is Introduction to Transport Layer Protocols. The first introduction is to the transport layer, services provided by the transport layer, key protocols, TCP and UDP, connection establishment and termination. Next one is flow control and error control, multiplexing, demultiplexing, comparison of TCP and UDP, that is transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol. And then the last one is real world application. Let's start with the introduction of the transport layer, application of the transport layers. First, the introduction to transport layer is ensures end-to-end connection between applications. Located between the network layer and application layer. Provides reliable or unreliable data transfer services. Next one is services provided by transport layer and recovery layer. It is a reliable data transfer, that is TCP. It is a connection-oriented communication. It has multiplexing and demultiplexing functions. It can control flow controls. It can control error detections. The next one is key protocols, that is TCP and UDP. TCP is nothing but transmission control protocol. It is reliable and connection oriented. The next one is UDP, user datagram protocol. It is the fast as compared to the TCP protocol, and it is connectionless, where the TCP is reliable and connection oriented. And the third one is no delivery guarantee. It means if packet is arrived to the destination, it will be reached or not reached. We can't say about that. The third one is connection establishment and termination. And this TCP three-way handshakes are there. That is synchronization and acknowledgement. And the third one is acknowledgement. Connection termination. Four-step process using FIN and acknowledgement. The next one is flow control and error control. These are the methods which we can correct the error bits and detect the bits. Error control is nothing but ensures that data integrity using checksum, acknowledgements, and retransmissions. Flow control is something but manages data rate to avoid overwhelming the receiver. Example, TCP sliding window. The next one is multiplexing and demultiplexing. Multiplexing is nothing but combining the multiple data streams over a single connection. And the demultiplexing is nothing but separation of incoming data streams to appropriate applications. Next, the comparison between TCP and UDP. TCP is connection oriented, whereas UDP is connectionless. TCP is more reliable, whereas UDP is not unreliable. TCP is slower, but UDP is faster. Use cases. TCP for web browsing, file transfers. UDP for streaming and gaming. Let's talk about the real world applications. TCP. We can use in web browsing like HTTP, accessing the web pages, or slash HTTPs, file transfer protocols, emails. We can use SMTP, IMAP 4, and POP3, that is protocol version 4, version 3. And for UDP, we can use for video streamings, YouTube, Netflix, etc. Online gaming, DNS lookups, that is domain name to system converter. Conclusion. Transport layer provides end-to-end connection services, whereas its key protocols are TCP and UDP balances reliability and speed for different applications. and it is crucial for real-world networking scenarios. Thank you.